I hope all of you have given your exam quite well. Now, in this video, we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 6. And the name of the chapter is division. So, we are going to learn the concept of division in this class. Now, you must be knowing that if at home your parents brings anything, say any eatable or anything at home, definitely you try to share with your brother and sister. Say if your father has brought 2 chocolates and you are 2 siblings, that is you are 2 of them are there at home. So what would you do? Will you take both the chocolates and you will finish it off? No. So what you will do? You will give 1 chocolate to your brother or sister also. So that's called sharing. And sharing also in what way? In equal sharing. It's not that you have taken 1 and a half and half you have just given to your sister or brother. So what you are doing? You are doing equal sharing. Equal sharing means 2 are there, 1 you have taken and the other one your brother or sister has taken. Okay. So the same concept in mathematics also we are going to learn. So basically division is what? Division is equal sharing or equal distribution. We know the word distribution and sharing, but why am I using equal? Because it has to be done equally. It's not that lesser amount is taken by you or more amount is taken by your brother or sister or other person. That is not called division. Division is always equal sharing, equal distribution. Okay. Now, division is also known as repeated subtraction. In the previous class, when you have learned multiplication chapter, so there we have learned multiplication is also known as repeated addition. And this class we are learning division, and division is known as repeated addition. So this concept I will explain you with example. Before that, let me explain you what exactly division is. What do we understand by division? So with an example we will try to understand. You can see there is a basket, and in the basket there are 8 laddus. Okay, of course all of you love to have laddus. So here 8 laddus are there, and there are 2 children. One is Khushi and other one is Riya. Okay, now both these children, they want to have laddu, and I am the teacher, and I am going to divide this 8 laddus among these 2 children. Okay, let's see how we do and how many laddus each child will get, right? So we'll start. Let's divide. First one, we have given 1 laddus from 8. Now here 6 are left and 1 I have distributed, okay, to each one of them. Then again from 8, again I am giving 1 laddus to each one of them. So here we have 2 laddus for both of them. Still we have left 4 laddus in the basket. Now this 4 laddus also has to be divided equally. Okay, distributed equally. So let's do that. 1 I have given to Khushi and 1 I have given to Riya. Okay. Still I am having 2 laddus. This also has to be divided equally. So I am giving 1 laddu to Khushi and another one to Riya. Now how many laddus are left in the basket? 0. Nothing is there. Okay, nil. And you see, Khushi and Riya have obtained or got some amount of laddu. And what are this? Both of them have got 4 laddus. Okay, and you can see this is equal distribution. I have not done injustice to anyone. I have given both of them equal number of laddus. So division is also equal distribution. So when we are dividing anything equally, that is called division. Okay, or you can say equal sharing also. And it's a very good gesture. No, sharing, we must share anything whatever we have. We must share with our friends. We must share with our brother and sister at home, even with our parents also. All right. So here, this is the introduction of division. So what is division? Division is equal sharing or equal distribution. Right. Now, what is the sign or symbol for division? See, the sign symbol for division is this. Like, this is the symbol for division. Alright. So, this is just an introduction about division. What is division? Division is equal sharing or equal distribution. Alright. Now, same thing. Suppose, if I am having here, let's take another example. Say I am having only 4 laddus. Okay. How many laddus are there? 4 laddus. And I am going to distribute this 4 laddus among Khushi and Riya equally. So let's do how many laddus each one of them will get? Okay. Let's do it. 1 here and other one here. So out of 4, how many laddus are left? 2 laddus are left. Again, I am distributing 1 to each. Now in the basket, over there, now nothing is there. No laddus are left. Okay. So both of them have received 2 laddus equally. Okay. So this is called equal distribution, or in other word, we also call it mathematically, we say division. Okay. So this is your introduction of division, and in the next class we will be learning, as I told you, that division is also known as repeated subtraction. So with some example, I'll explain you what is repeated subtraction. Okay. Till then, in this class, only this much. What you will be doing, you will just, whatever I have explained here with example, please write it down in your Maths CW copy with this caption. You will write today's date, you will write your subject name as well as chapter, name of the chapter, and what we have explained, what I have explained to you, that also. 2 examples I explained. First example with 8 laddus, how they were equally distributed, and next with 4 laddus, how they were equally distributed. And what is the symbol of division? So the symbol of division is this. Okay. So this much only you will copy in your copy, and we'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care and bye bye.